In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide sheets in Google Sheets. If you want to keep your spreadsheet looking clean and organized, hiding a sheet is a quick and useful feature to know. This can be especially helpful when you have extra tabs that contain reference information, calculations, or notes that you do not need to see all the time. Hiding a sheet does not delete it, so your data stays safe and available when you need it later. To begin, look at the bottom of your Google Sheets window. This is where you will find the sheet tabs for your spreadsheet. Each tab represents a different sheet, and the tab usually displays the sheet's name. Take a moment to identify the specific sheet you want to hide before moving on, since you will be opening options for that particular tab. Once you have found the correct sheet tab, look for the small down arrow next to the sheet name. Click that arrow to open the drop-down menu. This menu gives you several options for managing that sheet, and it is where you will find the hide option. If you do not see the arrow right away, make sure you are looking directly at the tab at the bottom of the screen, since the controls are attached to the sheet itself. After the drop-down menu opens, click Hide Sheet. This means the sheet is now hidden from view, helping reduce clutter and making it easier to focus on the sheets you actively use. One important thing to remember is that hiding a sheet is different from deleting it. Since the sheet is only hidden, the information inside it remains part of the spreadsheet. This makes hiding a good option when you want to temporarily remove a sheet from view without losing any work. A helpful tip is to double-check that you are hiding the correct sheet before clicking the option, especially if your workbook has many tabs with similar names. Staying organized with clear sheet names can make this process even easier and help prevent mistakes later. That's all it takes to hide a sheet in Google Sheets. It is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you are managing larger spreadsheets and want a cleaner workspace. Thanks for watching.